so far, and I've got 2,633 miles on this 2017 Passat SEL Premium, and this is my latest error. Now, I've already had the computer replaced. I had that done after a few hundred miles to fix a fog light, and the fog light's been fine since the computer in the vehicle was replaced. Then I had the collision avoidance sensors go crazy. You can check out my other video on that. And this is the first time I've ever seen this. It says no key found in vehicle, yet my vehicle is cranked. I didn't have a problem cranking it, and there's my key in my hand, my Volkswagen key. And it's worth mentioning, after they replaced my computer many weeks ago, they reprogrammed both of my keys, because I've got two keys, and I tested both of my keys and they worked after the new computer was put in. So why this is popping up, I don't know. So it's quite concerning. I love this vehicle, but if you can help me out, please share this video with others. Please share this video with somebody with technical expertise and explain it. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe, youtube.com/iRickSky. Y'all have a good day. Hey y'all, iRickSky here. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to subscribe, like, and share. It's viewers like you that enable my channel to continue to grow. Thank you.